Hello, Namaskara, what's up people? Today I have a fun project for myself, that is I'm going to try to stitch myself a sleeveless basic top. I learned how to stitch when I had to alter my dresses because they were getting too loose. That is when I started losing weight. And now I have a pretty good hold on stitching. I made myself a few scrunchies. Isn't this cute? Or I think they're cute, I don't know. My mom gave me a few blouse fabrics that she doesn't want anymore, but the problem is all of those fabrics are of different colors and I need two fabrics of the same color to do the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt. I can do two different colors because I'm just learning or trying. This is not like, the actual top. This is going to be an experimental first try, so it doesn't matter if it's like different colors on both sides, but if it turns out good, I want to be able to wear it. So I don't know, let's see.
So these are the blouse materials or fabrics or blouse pieces that my mom has, which apparently she doesn't want. Then why is she having so many of them? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, there's two of this. Maybe I can use this for the front and back. Okay, so there's like these many, but my favorite one is this. I don't know why I love this so much, but it's so cute. I really want a good top out of this, so I'll keep this for later when I actually learn. But for now, these are my experimental pieces. Okay, so this is the top, sleeveless top that fits me, and I have like two fabrics folded in half here. So I have to draw this outline and cut it. And that's the scariest part because I know how to stitch but I don't know how to cut. I hope I cut it properly. In the tutorials that I've seen, they asked to keep like a gap here so that while folding it for seam allowance, I have some space. And also in this top, I don't like the rounded part of the bottom of the top, so I'm going to make it straight. So I put the outline. The second outer line is because I thought I might need a little more space if something goes wrong, and then I made a straight cut here, and here this would have been the outline, but it's too high neck. This is the front of the neck, so I followed that line. I think it'll be a pretty good basic top. Let's get cutting.
I don't know how I'm going to do this entire video because I don't have a tripod for top view, but I'll do what I can.
Look at this, it looks pretty good, right? I think it'll be a very cute top. I like the color. But the thing is, the inside fabric is not the exact same color. This is more of a bright lavenderish purple. This is a little dull violety purple, I think. I don't know. Let's see. So basically, if I attach these edges and if I attach the shoulder part, it becomes a top. But because we need it to be a nice, neat, presentable top, we have to hem, and hem. Apart from attach and attach.
So I ironed out the edges so that it's easier to stitch. Okay, so I stitched the sleeves, not my best work, but it's okay, it's at least neatly closed. Now the circle thing, I'm really not able to stitch it in a nice circle. I stitched it once and removed the stitch and almost ripped the fabric. So I decided I'm going to make it a square neck because it's easier to stitch in straight lines. V-neck would also be okay, but it should be symmetrical V, which is again kind of difficult. So square neck it is. I'm officially starting to get stressed out because I neatly did the front of the neck, but the neck to the sleeve part, there is like a scrunch. I don't know how to deal with that. So I got done with one side. It's not the perfect stitch, but it's pretty decent, I think. But yeah, now I kind of got an idea, so the second piece should be easy. Okay, so this is the final product. Mistake number 1, this. Mistake number 2, this. And mistake number 3, which is not really a mistake, but it would look better, is if it was like this. I'll try and correct that. But it's so cute. So I gave a nice curvy stitch here to fit the body, but the only thing is I'm still not able to fix the lower end. So I'm just going to fold and make a straight line and stitch it, because anyway it's a little long, so I don't mind it becoming short. Okay, I'm officially tired, but we are done. The sleeves are good. There's a nice tapering shape, at least I think there is, and the ends are perfect. I know I have to cut all this, but look at it, so cute.